All right, so we're gonna go over school interface 2. And here it is. We have release 0 menu. So first I'm going to clone it.
Hey, Mike, we can't see
Well, I want to fork it first, right? Already forked it. I hope I didn't push up to it.
We can't see your screen.
It looks like
you're sharing your screen.
I'm not sharing my screen.
Got Johnny.
This is the only screen. Right? No, this is. Can you see this remote? Like the school interface 2 webpage?
Yeah, we can see it now.
Plugged in. Turn it on.
Remote, can you hear us?
We can.
Yes, can you hear us?
We should be able to hear. Oh, what is this?
Yeah, I heard that. Yeah. That was good. Can you hear me? Can you hear me from over there yet?
No.
I'm gonna pass it out to HDMI.
That'll have to do for now. Okay, so we should be able to hear the remotes now.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Wow, that was sensitive.
Okay, so can you see this screen now? Yeah, I believe. Oh yeah, something happened now. Let me move this. Oh, I don't have another screen. Okay, so first I'm gonna clone it. And let's see what's inside. We have person, school, staff, and student. Okay. I have my runner here. Okay, so do I have everything open? The README? Does anyone know a shortcut to get to a certain file? Let's say you have all these tabs open and you don't want to search through the file tree. So the search shortcut is Command T. If you press Command T, this search pops up and I can say school. I just type in the beginning of school and you can see that's selected on the top. And if I press Enter, I can get to school. And that's just a quick way of navigating through your files.
Does that only show the ones that are in the actual directory?
Yeah, it'll only show what's I think in here, what's open, what's in these directories. It won't go outside of this. Okay. So first we want to replace some lines in the runner so that we display this menu here. So when we run the runner right now, I already wrote stuff, didn't I?
No, that was the,
that was it, okay.
Previous.
Okay, so instead of that, we want to display the menu. So, runner, I can't even see that. Yeah, it is bright. I'm going to replace it with this line here. So can anybody explain what these characters are?
New line.
New line. What's this backslash?
Escape.
Yeah. Okay. And one nice way to remember what's a backslash and what's a forward slash is when you type forward is this way, forward is this way, and forward slash is like a person just leaning forward, like that, and then a backslash is a person leaning back. Okay. And now we have our new line separating these strings. So did anybody have any part where they got stuck on server 2, school interface 2?
Actually, yeah.
Yeah?
Now that I think about it, the final part where you have to continue to make mode work until you get until someone hits 5 and wants to exit.
Until exit. All right. It's always hard to make a loop that you do only want to exit in a certain case, because then you can get stuck in an infinite loop, right?
Yeah.
So instead of this print, we had just a mode equals, and then we printed the input that we got. So it should print out 5, and it did. So from classes, school, import school, what do we have here? It looks like we just, instead of the print statement, we have this block here. If mode equals 1, school.list students pass, and list students should break because we haven't written it. So I'm going to go to school, and I'm going to write a list student. Can someone help me list them?
A list of student objects called student in your school file. You could iterate over that and print specific.
Make a list of objects.
Right, make a list of objects. Right.
Okay. Walk me through what to type.
The
For
call it student and students. Self-students.
okay.
Going you would see. Forget how I did this.
Well, our output we want to look like this.
So it just wants to print. So what do you think? Well, first you can see what it looks like when you print when it iterates over the student objects, and then find a way to get the specific name and student ID information from each object as you iterate over it.
So I'm going to print something, right?
Right.
At least the name.
Sure.
I want to make a fancy interpolated string. And this will be in curly's. And the student ID number.
So space, curly's, student, school. But you also
School
want
ID.
the number for it.
But I also want the number. How do I get the number?
Well, I just said a counter.
A counter.
Yeah, it started at 0, and every time we'll put it before we just add
Yeah.
a counter. So it's
Or you could
just
also enumerate the student, the self-student.
Yes. So we could make a counter saying
new counters. Yeah,
It works, yeah.
and
I started the counter at 0. With the zero. So because you want to start with 1 once it goes in. Oh, okay. Just that way. And then counter and curly brackets. And then you want to make sure you have a period right after the counter. There you go.
Oops. Okay. Uh-oh.
Yeah, see itself in there, yeah.
It's weird how it's kind of reversed, isn't it? Yay, so that worked. What was the other way?
Doing the counter you can do for counter comma student in self in enumerate self students.
Is it like that, or is it enumerate?
You have to do enumerate.
Mm.
But then the index, then instead of putting index, you do index plus 1 because you want to shift from a 0 start 0 1 starting.
Index plus 1.
Yep.
Again. Yay. Okay, what's next? We have at least one. Okay, so one thing I never went over is how to go back to a save point and go back to a commit. I'll put this in the Slack, but we'll just do that later. If mode equals 1, someone remind me. We'll update our case statement.
We want to have an L for the individual student.
Yeah.
For the next.
For view individual student.
Right.
If mode equals 2, student ID equals the input, and then student equals school dot find student by ID, which I guess we haven't written yet. Student ID. We has to take in this student ID that we got from the input, and we print the string representation of the student. All right, so when we run it, school object has no attribute find student by ID, so let's give it 1. Find student by ID. How do I do that?
Iterate it the same way you did the first time.
For
if school ID is equal to or not equal to, however you want to do it.
is equal to what?
School ID, yeah, or equal to.
Is this student ID?
It should be right. Because you're putting in a school ID and you're checking it.
It says
Do you want to oh, yeah, student
It says
ID
student
on the
ID.
other side?
Does it matter?
yes.
Yeah.
Really? Okay, so it actually doesn't matter. I can say, because I'm passing in a parameter here. So it's whatever you pass into the parameter.
I'll take it.
Okay? And if it equals, then
And you print that. print it however it said to print it in across.
Okay. Do we print it really?
You want to print it?
Or we return it?
Return it.
From what I remember in the runner file,
Yeah, return student.
in the runner file,
The
student equals,
Yeah, return student.
we have to return the actual student.
it's gonna just give you back the object.
Okay.
But it's okay. It's what it's supposed to do. Instructions.
What was one of the IDs?
1, 3,
1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5.
Wow, you guys have been looking at this all day. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The string method. Oh, okay. So def. Ah,
I think there was something wrong because it said none.
it said none. Oh no.
Interested in ID.
Oh, we were supposed to get an actual student.
It would at least give you back the objects.
Yeah.
Like the.
Okay, what's wrong here? Go to school. This is.
It's the.
Is it?
I think it's a poop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Isn't that
So it has that.
Is it returning student?
No, you don't have.
Oh, I'm returning nothing.
Yeah.
Okay,
There you go.
so poop worked, but
Okay.
oh, you liked it? Okay.
Our small little joys.
That's the Charles. What do they say? Celebrate the small.
So in the student class,
Take it work first.
I'm gonna write a string method. So what kind of method is this called? With the syntax?
Magic.
Magic, dunder. Those two. When you go to the Python meetup tonight,
Dunder.
some people will call them magic, and some people call them dunder.
Are they really referred to as magic?
Yep,
Oh, cool.
magic methods. So I'm gonna return a string. And what is it supposed to be? Oh, this. Okay. I'm gonna return
Student.
a fancy string. Self.name, and then new line,
Do you want it two upper?
backslash.
Do you want self.name to be
Okay.
two upper or upper? I think is just not upper.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then I want a bunch of hyphens. Oh, 8.
I don't.
And I'm gonna new line, age, colon, space, self.h, new line, id, colon, space, self.id, self.id.
Almost same thing.
Okay.
Is it student or school?
I think we were using school up there.
Yeah, it's cool.
Uh-oh.
Is that Lisa?
You don't like Lisa.
Your Lisa is in the way.
I want to view 1, 3, 3, 4, 5. Wait.
Yep.
Okay. Yay.
Oh yeah.
Is that the end? Oh, the quit. Okay. So in the runner, I'm gonna say mode equals input. Okay. So I want this to be inside the loop.
Yes.
Okay.
While.
So while I'm gonna say Well, it's not 5.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you index.
Oh, they went away. All right. All right, and it should keep going. And then if I say 5, it should play.
I know that. Very nice.
Okay. So it's been 23 minutes. Let's take a short break, 10-minute, or just 7 minutes. Be back at 9:30, and we'll go over budget.
Yeah. I love how these lectures make all my work.